Being flood ready. Perception versus reality. 54% of Canadians are not concerned about floods damaging their homes, but they cost Canadians millions of dollars per year. 40% think they're covered by overland flood insurance or don't know if they are, but the damage may not be covered by your standard property insurance. 60% have done nothing to protect their homes because they don't think they're at risk. But floods can happen anywhere, anytime. Don't wait for the water. Take steps to protect your property. Visit canada.ca/flood-ready to get started today. A message from the Government of Canada.